Gear up for the wild in style. 2025 is revolutionizing the great outdoors with a lineup of camping gadgets that are as ingenious as they are exciting. Amazon is packed with game-changing gear designed to make every trip smarter, smoother, and way more fun. Whether you're a hardcore backpacker chasing mountain peaks or a weekend warrior setting up the perfect base camp, these picks deliver the perfect blend of durability, portability, and tech-savvy features. Think foldable stoves, multifunctional tools, smart fans, and futuristic lighting, all engineered for adventure. Here are 13 of the coolest and smartest camping gadgets of 2025, ready to turn nature into your ultimate high-tech playground. LuminAID Solar Camping Lantern. The telescopic camping lights are a versatile and eco-friendly lighting solution, priced at just $30. Delivering 75 lumens of bright LED light, they feature multiple brightness settings, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. This lightweight, inflatable, and collapsible lantern is IP67 waterproof, shatterproof, and dustproof, ensuring durability in any environment while being completely safe for children. Perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, emergencies, or even poolside parties. It offers up to 24 hours of illumination on a full charge. With dual charging options, solar, 10 hours in direct sunlight, and USB, 1 to 2 hours. It's always ready when you need it. Compact yet powerful, this gadget is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and a thoughtful gift for adventure lovers. G2 Foldable Camping Cot. The G2 Foldable Camping Cot, priced at $30, is a smart and practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Made with ultra-light mesh fabric, it offers superior breathability, lighter weight, and excellent elasticity, even after long-term folding. Its aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum frame ensures outstanding strength, stability, and durability, supporting up to 120 kilograms. 264 pounds, weighing only 5 pounds and folding down to a compact 23 inches by 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches, it's perfect for saving backpack space during hiking, camping, or travel. The clever design allows easy assembly and folding without tools, and helpful video guides are available for quick setup. With its solid build, portability, and 1-year warranty, the G2 Camping Cot is an excellent companion for comfortable rest in the great outdoors. NXONE Beach Tent. The NXONE Beach Tent, priced between $32 and $80, is a premium sun shelter offering excellent UV protection with UPF 50+ coated 210D polyester that blocks up to 98% of harmful rays. Its 3 large mesh windows ensure great ventilation, keeping the interior cool even during summer heat waves. Upgraded 8.0mm fiberglass rods provide enhanced flexibility and durability, ensuring long-lasting performance. The extendable front floor mat adds space for picnics, kids play, or privacy when changing, thanks to its zippable design. For stability, it includes 4 built-in sandbags, 8 steel stakes, 6 plastic stakes, and 4 tie-down strings, making it highly wind-resistant. Lightweight and portable, it folds into a compact carry bag for easy transport. Ideal for beach trips, picnics, or park outings, it's a smart and reliable outdoor companion. Multifunction Folding Cooler. The Multifunction Folding Cooler, priced at $24, is a clever blend of comfort, storage, and portability for outdoor adventures. This innovative backpack unfolds into a sturdy stool, making it perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, or outdoor events where seating is limited. Built with durable, high-quality materials, it offers long-lasting stability and reliability. The adjustable backrest ensures added comfort during extended use, while multiple pockets and compartments keep small essentials secure and organized. Whether you need a seat, a storage solution, or both, this multifunction cooler is a practical and versatile companion for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. Camping Chair. The camping chair, priced at $22, is a smart and protective storage solution designed specifically for the front runner expander chair. Crafted from heavy-duty 400D Oxford canvas with a padded liner, it shields the chair from the elements and prevents rattling during travel. The clever top opening allows you to use the chair's built-in handle while still in the bag, while two sturdy carrier straps make it easy to transport extra weight. Black nylon edging adds rigidity, and grey trim enhances its rugged look. Measuring 431mm by 483mm by 51mm and weighing just 0.39 kilograms, it's lightweight yet durable. Perfect for camping or overlanding, this bag ensures your chair stays secure, clean, and ready for your next outdoor adventure. Inflatable Lounger Air Sofa. The Inflatable Lounger Air Sofa, priced at $40, is a fun and practical outdoor relaxation essential. Requiring no pump, it inflates easily by whisking it through the air, then sealing the opening between movements. Its patented pillow-shaped headrest provides excellent upper back and neck support, making it perfect for lounging at the beach, campsite, or park. Built with anti-deflation technology, it stays inflated for 5 to 6 hours, ensuring long-lasting comfort. The package includes a carry bag for portability, a stake and security loop to keep it stable even on windy days, and a bottle opener for added convenience. Lightweight and portable, this lounger is designed for easy use and maximum comfort. Backed by a 100% risk-free satisfaction guarantee, it's an ideal choice for outdoor leisure and travel adventures. Quick Dry Travel Towel. The Quick Dry Travel Towel, priced at $15, is a versatile 3-in-1 pack that covers all your drying needs. It includes a large 60 by 30 inch towel for beach or shower use, a 30 by 15 inch towel for gym or camping, and a compact 15 by 15 inch towel for quick cleanups. Made from ultra-fine microfiber, these towels are soft, odor-free, and highly absorbent. Soaking up to 5 times their weight in water, they dry up to 10 times faster than regular cotton towels and feature a snap loop for easy hanging. Perfect for hiking, camping, travel, or workouts, they pack neatly into the included mesh carry pouch, which also doubles as a toiletry or essentials bag. Machine washable and durable, this towel set is a space-saving, quick-drying, and practical must-have for active lifestyles and outdoor adventures. Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill. The Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill, priced at $420, is a premium outdoor cooking solution for campers, tailgaters, and backyard chefs, delivering up to 20,000 total BTUs across 3 adjustable burners. It offers precise temperature control with improved burner technology. The 285 square inch grilling surface provides ample space for multiple dishes at once, while the integrated thermometer ensures accurate heat monitoring. Designed for convenience, it features sturdy quick-fold legs, wheels for portability, and a push-button ignition for matchless lighting. A removable water pan catches grease for easy cleanup, making maintenance hassle-free. Fueled by a 16.4-ounce propane cylinder, sold separately, this grill is both powerful and portable. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, it's a reliable, high-performance choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who want both versatility and convenience. Portable Air Pump. The Portable Air Pump, priced at $22, is a compact powerhouse designed for convenience and efficiency. Weighing only 2.82 ounces and measuring 2 by 1.7 by 1.7 inches, it's as small as an egg and easily fits in your pocket or attaches to your backpack. Its one-button operation, double-click to start, makes inflation and deflation effortless. With a powerful 3.5 kilopascals air pressure and 180 liters per minute airflow, it rapidly inflates air mattresses, swim rings, and more, or deflates storage bags quickly. The built-in 1,300 mAh rechargeable battery provides up to 15 minutes of use and supports versatile Type-C charging via power banks, laptops, or car chargers. Included are 5 nozzles for various inflatables. Durable and portable, this air pump is perfect for camping, beach trips, and outdoor adventures. Tent Lamp. The tent lamp, priced at $14, is a compact and versatile LED light perfect for any camping adventure. Measuring just 5.7 by 2.1 inches, it's lightweight and easy to carry, even for kids. Powered by 3 disposable batteries, not included. It offers up to 15 hours of bright light with 150 lumens from 3 LED beads. With 3 light modes, high, low, and strobe, it suits various needs from campsite illumination to emergency signaling or creating a fun party atmosphere. Crafted from durable ABS plastic and rated IPX8 water resistant, it withstands harsh weather and accidental drops. The handy carabiner hook lets you hang it on tents, backpacks, or trees for hands-free use. Beyond camping, it doubles as a decorative or night light, making it a practical gift for all. Portable fan. The portable fan, priced at $47, is a multifunctional camping essential designed for cooling, lighting, and charging on the go. Powered by a 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it delivers strong airflow up to 15 feet with 4 adjustable speeds, lasting 6 to 38 hours per charge. It supports both solar and Type-C fast charging and doubles as an emergency power bank for devices. Built-in dual light modes offer 3 brightness levels and flashlight functionality, providing up to 80 hours of illumination. A 1 to 4 hour timer ensures quiet, energy-efficient operation, perfect for sleeping. Its foldable 90-degree design makes it compact and easy to carry, while the IPX3 water-resistant build protects against light rain and splashes. Ideal for camping, hiking, or RV trips, this portable fan keeps you cool, lit, and connected wherever adventure takes you. Camp Kitchen. The Camp Kitchen, priced at $49, is a stylish and practical cooking utensil kit designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted from durable woven cotton, it protects your utensils from scratches, falls, and weather damage, while keeping everything neatly organized in individual pouches with a secure zip seal. Its multi-purpose design makes it perfect for camping, hiking, BBQs, concerts, or boat rides, offering easy access to all essential cooking tools. The contemporary multicolored woven pattern adds a vibrant touch to any outdoor setting. Compact and travel-friendly, it folds neatly to fit into luggage or backpacks, and features a built-in handle for easy carrying. Dishwasher and washer safe, it's simple to clean and maintain. This camp kitchen accessory combines durability, convenience, and style for all your outdoor cooking adventures.